Good evening and welcome to 200forexclips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 23rd of January 2018. Okay guys, let's get started with today's analysis, and I'm going to start with Great Britain Pound JPY today. This is the last signal of my signals report, and guys, today I was quite bearish on Great Britain Pound JPY. The entry was 155,039 with the bearish expectation. So a smaller U-turn was taken on Great Britain Pound USD, and then you can Great Britain Pound JPY, and then you can see a very good drastic fall on pound today. So if we talk about the previous analysis for pound, you know that I was bullish yesterday, and you must have taken the advantage from the bullish activity that happened yesterday. But today I had to turn into bearish because I was expecting a downward momentum. So that was my signal, because I was looking for a downward trend today. So guys, if you have traded Great Britain Pound JPY, I'm hopeful you people must have catch a very good number of pips by trading Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, now let's talk about AUDUSD here. Okay, I'm just going to take you towards the signal, and the signal was bearish from my side. The entry was 079891. And guys, you can clearly see that from the entry, the AUDUSD has made a downward pattern first. So if you have traded AUDUSD in the early part of the day till the evening, it was making up downward pressure. And if you have collected this gap, then you should be in very good profits. And later on, we have received again a downward move from on AUDUSD as per the trading system. But we have nothing to do with this, because if, when I have supplied the signal, the market was in a bearish zone, and I'm hopeful that you people must have caught the profit on AUDUSD. Okay, today I have turned into bearish on USDJPY, and this was my signal in case of USDJPY. 110769 was the possible entry. And guys, today, first of all, we have seen a deception in the market that first of all market movers took the pair up, and then final move was down. And guys, if you have traded after the U-turn USDJPY 110769, then you can see that it's way down, and it has also hit the targeted price 110258. So three consecutive very good signals as per the signals report, if you have traded in a right way as per the signals report video. Okay, now let's talk about another pair, that's Great Britain Pound USD. It was a very easy signal from my side. I have supplied the simple bearish trend from 139932, and when I have supplied the signal, the market was almost here, and guys, it went near to the targeted price that I have supplied in the signals report 139050. So if you have traded Great Britain Pound JPY today, right after this I have sent the reports, you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 hours we had on to make a profit on Great Britain Pound USD, and it was down, but later on the move has taken it towards the upside, and then again we have a drop on that pair. So right now it again went into the confusing zone. So guys, just wait for the signal that I will supply tomorrow, so that we can have a better understanding about Great Britain Pound USD. I want to just have a look on the US session in the morning, and then I will be able to supply you with another signal. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Not a very good signal. I have supplied the bearish trend from 073363, and guys, it responded at on the time when I have supplied the signal, but the signal went fine for 3 hours. So this is the gap that was fine as per the signals report, but later on it has the upward move. So if you have traded the 3 hours on New Zealand USD, then you must have caught the profit. Otherwise, those traders who have not closed the positions, because I have seen here after the downward trend, the market started to make a bullish trend from here. So that was a sign for me that maybe it's again trying to go up, because you know that there is a lot of deception going in the market from the last couple of weeks. So that is why I have traded New Zealand USD in the early session of the day, just before the London session. But now it's again up, and now guys, this signal can again stay valid if New Zealand USD breaks 073363 from the top, because it's again into the zone of a U-turn. If it breaks the level from the top again, then guys, again we can expect a downward trend on Great Britain Pound on New Zealand USD. Okay, at last I'm going to talk about EURUSD. It went perfectly fine in the morning. If you have traded the early session of the day, I have supplied you with a bearish signal. 122656 was the entry. And guys, right from the entry, EURUSD has made a downward pattern, and this is the gap. I'm just putting a line here. So this is the gap here for a downward trend. If you have caught this 4 hours gap, then you should be in profits, but later on it has went up, and right now the same situation is going to happen here. If EURUSD again breaks the entry 122656 from the top, then guys, again it will be in a bearish zone and you can sell the pair as per the recommendation that is sent by the 200forextips.com. So guys, this is a short review from my side. Hopefully I will provide the review tomorrow, and moreover USD CHF and USD Canadian dollar have not taken the U-turn, so there is no need to trade that pair, and because they have moved far, so when the pair does not take a U-turn, there is no need to trade the pair. This is all about the today's analysis. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators so that they can help you with your trading, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then you need to email me on info@200forextips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.